The Cat in Boots. There are three brothers. One day the older brother let the youngest brother go away. The youngest takes the cat with him. The cat tells the youngest,
"Master, I have a good idea. Let me your boots and a sack."
The cat wears the boots. The cat runs to the forest. He catches a rabbit, and he brings the rabbit to the king.
"This is a present for Marquis of Carabas."
The king is very happy. Later, the king and the princess go on a picnic.
"Master, go into the river."
Then the cat screams,
"Help! A thief has stolen my master's clothes."
The cat says to the king,
"Someone stole my master's clothes."
so the king gives the youngest nice clothes.
"Please come to the Marquis castle. Follow me."
The cat runs into the golden wheat field. The wheat field belongs to a scary ogre. The cat tells the farmers,
"Tell the king these fields belong to the Marquis of Carabas. If you do this, I will get rid of the scary ogre."
Then the cat runs to the scary ogre's castle. Later, the king asks the farmers,
"Who owns these golden wheat fields?" "The Marquis of Carabas."
At the scary ogre's castle, the scary ogre catches the cat.
"How dare you come in this castle?"
"Can you change into a big lion?"
That is so easy.
Pop, the scary ogre changes into a big lion.
But you can change into a small mouse.
That is too easy.
The scary ogre changes into a small mouse. The cat eats the mouse.
Welcome to the Marquis of Carabas castle.
Later, the Marquis and the princess get married. The cat becomes the Knight of Carabas, and they live happily